Scorpa SCF Factory are improved versions of the revolutionary SC, arriving in 2024 to raise the bar for the most demanding trial fans. Price of Scorpa SCF Factory, €8.650. It is higher than the standard Scorpa SC versions due to the improvements introduced. In fact, these are motorcycles that are exactly the same as the 2024 Sherco STF Factory, differing only in the headlight and decoration. This builds on improvements made on last year's Scorpa SCT Racing, whose biggest revolution was the addition of the injection system to the 2T engines. After a year in which it was confirmed that the machines were indeed working perfectly, a combination of 2 World Championships in their first year, a European Championship between Sherco and Scorpa, and 7 national championships, the improvements came. Scorpa SCF Factory 2024 brings improvements that put them at the top of the trials. It features a new, larger air filter and new support and more waterproof materials.